Please
This
follow
is my new
and
flash
share.
helmet that
Please,
I just had
sad
just made
face.
because I'm going to Comic-Con this weekend.
Woo!
First, we 3D print the parts. Brushing on epoxy resin for strength and smoother finish. The dreaded sanding, starting with the big stuff. Moving on to the smaller, detailed parts. Then a base coat of sandable, automotive primer. Now we sand smooth and fix any imperfections before the main paint. I hate sanding. So much sanding. You sanding. A coat of special paint, trade secret. Ah, finally base color candy apple red.
I know.
After 5 coats of base, 2 coats of clear, installing the ears, and a final coat of lacquer, we're done.
Order your custom cosplay at rocketkid1d.com.